Good afternoon. My name is Peter Garcia.
Hi, my name is Prajeepkumar Nair.
And I'm Saad.
And we're seniors in the Mechanical Design 2 class, and our project was based off airbag design. So right now I'm going to talk to you about the early history that takes place between 1950s and 1960s. There's 4 major contributors to the invention of the airbag design. The first 2 important ones was John W. Hetrick, who first received the US patent in 1952, and Walter Linder, who received the German patent 3 months later after that. So the later history of airbags between 1970s and 1990s. Ford and GM were the first 2 automobile manufacturers to incorporate airbag technology in their products. They soon abandoned that idea because their technology wasn't advanced enough to advance that technology. And in 1998, the US mandated a law for automobile manufacturers to incorporate airbags in their products. So what is an airbag system? Airbag system consists of 3 parts: an inflator module, sensors, and a nylon airbag. So what happens during collision? When the vehicle starts to deaccelerate, the sensor picks up the information and sends it to the diagnostic module. That tests the information to see if the vehicle really is going to collide, and if it does, sends that information to the airbag deployment system. Right now, my friend Prajeep is going to talk about the airbag control unit.
Thank you, Peter. Airbag control unit. Mainly the airbag control unit is work on the MEMS system. It has different parts. The first part is speed sensor. As you can see, different pictures of the sensors. The second one is the pressure sensor, and the third one is the brake sensor, and the fourth one is accelerometer. And actually, what is happening in the airbag system? And when the diagnostic system receives the signal from the sensor, the collision occurred, and you can see picture over here. When the crash occurs, and once the signal received, inside the inflator system, the small chemical reaction is happening. This is the chemical formula, what is happening inside. And the nitrogen gas is emitted inside the airbag system at the time of inflation, and it protects the driver at the time of collision. This is the current development in the airbag industry. Micro accelerometer. The micro accelerometer is widely used in automobile industry because it is very small, the 5 millimeter thickness and 5 millimeter wide, and it's only 10 milligram of weight. In most of the automobile industry is using micro accelerometer, and it has different locations, mainly 4 different locations, 2 in the front side and 2 in the side of the automobile. This is the advanced airbag system that is using in Volvo XC90. Recently, the Volvo tested 16 airbags. Inside the XC90, it has 16 airbags, and it protects the passengers in the case of rollovers. This is more advanced airbag system. This is widely recently used in BMW 7 Series in European make car. So especially in Germany, this airbag system is using. And my friend Saad is going to talk about the future design in airbag industry.
Good afternoon. My name is Saad again, and I'll be taking to the last part of this presentation. So let's start with future designs. Airbag jump belt technology. What is it? It is the technology that has the entire automobile industry excited about the safety features. Now, how it works simply is when an accident occurs, the passenger is strapped in its seat, like, let's say, a roller coaster harness was strapped a tourist. Now, this is done, and it is proven to reduce head, shoulder, and neck injuries during the testing. And that's why a lot of people are excited about this, and we chose to talk about this in our presentation today. Now, in case you haven't been really following the automobile industries, family cars, the market is on the spike, and as you can see, they're introducing, companies like Tesla, Benz are introducing third row seats, but they're not facing towards the driver. What's different is that these cars are facing towards the rear door itself, which is more convenient and understandable, which also led us to create or propose an airbag design that would cater to these upcoming cars. As you can see here, the airbags are present on the rear door itself, providing the passengers more safety net. Because as we showed you earlier, these cars are coming out with absolutely no safety net for the drivers, passengers sitting on the third row seat. The second design we have is not having the airbags on the rear door itself, but on the door frame, as I may say. Now, in conclusion, let's talk about what profit levels this industry has. Let's talk about one component of the entire airbag system, the accelerometer. Just the accelerometer itself is estimated to do a business of $1.26 billion just in the United States. And on a very rough estimate, almost 2 million accelerometer will be stored in the United States every month. So this is not only an industry that is crucial for safety, but also for the U.S. economy. Finally, thank you for joining us today. That was the end of our presentation.